Hello everyone, if your Avatar Frontiers of Pandora keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Avatar Frontiers of Pandora from crashing on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into users, and then you're going to go into your username. After that, you're going to go into documents, and then you'll have the folder called My Games. You're going to open it up. You'll have this folder called AFOP. You're going to open it up, and then you'll have this file here, D3D12 core. You're going to right click on it, click rename, and just put .old at the end of it. After that, you're going to open up your web browser, and then you're going to go on to this link first. I'm going to put both of these links into the description of the video, and you're going to download this ZST file. While it's downloading, you're going to go ahead and download the second file as well. You're going to scroll down on here, click on this file, and then click start download. After that, open both of these files up, go into x64, put all four of these files into your AFOP folder, and now we'll have to put the other one as well. Here it is, open it, go into x64, put both of these files into here. Now you can go ahead and play Avatar, and you'll see that your game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to fix Avatar Frontiers of Pandora crashing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll see you in my next video. Peace.